Hello everyone, my name is Sharab Latif and I'm first year pre-medical student, and for the last 30 days I've been studying at the TopGrade Academy, and it's been a really great experience. I got to know about the TopGrade from a YouTuber actually, and I was instantly really interested, so I took the free trial. It was really amazing. So I got admitted, so everyone was so nice and cooperative about my admission. So for the last 30 days I've been studying there, and all the teachers are really amazing. And my favorite feature about the software will be the roadmap. So it's like you get the video lecture afterwards. After the video lecture, you get the revision slides, and you have to take tests from individual topics. It's really good for the practice, and you can also make custom tests. That's the favorite feature about software and mine. Sorry. And yeah, it's been a really great experience.
मैं ये स्ट्रांगली बिलीव करता हूँ कि मेरे स्टूडेंट्स की सक्सेस ही असल में मेरी सक्सेस है। सो मैं पर्सनली आपके करियर की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेता हूँ। आपका करियर हमारी जिम्मेदारी।